Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G and E, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated right now, and I'll show you how you can turn it off. Just press with your finger for a while on your screen, and here you will see the settings icon. Tap here and go to the more section. Right now you will see here the Google Discover. Tap here to the switcher to turn on this function, and now we'll check. So as can you see, my Google Feeds are turned off at the moment, and if you wanna just enable them, just repeat the action, go here and tap on the switcher again, and as can you see, they are activated now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.